Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add CIBC card to Apple Wallet. So let's get started. So here I will just open it. So to add your Apple Wallet in your card, then you have to follow these instructions. So first of all, you will sign in into the CIBC mobile banking app. Then you have to open the menu. Then you have to go to settings and security. Then you have to select for the Apple Pay settings. Okay, then you have to set up the Apple Pay. Then you have to open the wallet. Then here you have to click on the add icon at here. Click on here at debit card or credit card. Then at here you can follow the instructions. Okay, on the screen you can see so it will be done. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.